Hi, welcome to Mr. Fact channel. In this video we are going to know about 10 interesting facts about the number 4. But before start it, please leave like and subscribe. If you are ready, let's go. 1. The word in English for the number 4 is one of a kind, as it's the only number that has the same number of letters as the value of the number itself. 2. The number 4 is the smallest composite number. A composite number is a positive number that is the result of multiplying two numbers that are lower than themselves. In this case, 2 times 2 gives us the number 4. 3. It's commonly believed that there are at least 4 dimensions. The first 3 are length, width, and depth, which make up physical objects. The fourth dimension, at least according to scientists, is commonly notated as time. If you hold an apple in your hand, that apple has length, width, and depth, which can easily be seen and measured. The apple's fourth dimension is the time at which you are looking at it. 4. U.S. President Franklin D. Roosevelt believed that everyone in the world should at least have 4 basic freedoms. In no particular order, these are freedom from want, freedom of speech, freedom from fear, and freedom of religion. 5. These days computers can store so much information that they work with gigabytes and terabytes of information. At the end of the day, though, computers still deal with millions of tiny amounts of data all the time. The most basic unit of information is known as a bit. 8 bits are known as a byte. Some practical joker was obviously involved in the naming of 4 bits, as it's known as a nibble. 6. The chemical element beryllium has the atomic number 4. On the periodic table, it joins the other alkaline earth metals in group 2. A rare element, beryllium is a common component in the aerospace industry as it holds its shape in a wide range of temperatures and is incredibly lightweight. 7. Some of the most common engines used today are known as four-stroke engines. It doesn't mean you need to stroke them 4 times to get them to work. Instead, in each of the engine's cylinders, the piston has to move up or down 4 times, an action known as a stroke. The first stroke sucks the fuel into the cylinder, the second compresses the fuel, on the third stroke, the compressed fuel is ignited, and finally, the fourth stroke expels the exhaust. This is the process that creates mechanical energy that makes your car move. 8. The number 4 is present everywhere in baseball. To start with, there are 4 bases in the game. If the pitcher makes 4 mistakes in a row while throwing the ball, known as balls, then the batter gets to walk to the first base without actually hitting any balls. Finally, the most number of runs that a batter can score from one hit is 4, which is most commonly known as a grand slam. This is possible when all the bases are loaded up with previous batters, and they all make it back to base in one hit. 9. The number 4 is considered unlucky in many Asian cultures, including China, Japan, and Korea. This is because the number 4, SI, sounds very similar to the word for death, SI. Because of this, many buildings in Eastern Asia skip the 4th floor entirely and go from 2nd to 5th. 10. If you look at any decent map of the world, you will notice that each country will be shaded in one of a select number of colors. Thanks for watching. Don't move, stay here. We will come back.